is the guy. Do you know me? How do you want me to know you?
Who are you? Do you live in this jungle alone? Welcome to my home, Ekaro. Inakwana. Kedu.
That's my boy.
Opportunity lele for me that your mask man. Let me even see what he's hiding.